Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Avalanche charts and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we'll cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all the different possibilities. And towards the end of the video, I will also cover the macro structure of the overall altcoin market as well. Now, for those of you who are interested in trading and would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I use, then feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. And the best part is, this exchange allows people from the United States to be able to trade futures as well. So that's one of the biggest reasons why I love this exchange. Now, before I actually do go ahead and dive into the charts, I always seem to get comments from miserable people who complain about my charting style. So keep in mind here that everyone trades with a different strategy, and my strategy is by trading the various levels, all right? So if I'm not using your favorite indicator or something, please do not even think about leaving a negative comment complaining about it like a child who didn't get an ice cream or something, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at Avalanche. So on the daily chart here, you guys, we can clearly see things are pretty damn bearish right now, all right? I mean, this just completely sucks. Bitcoin completely had a complete downturn of events over the weekend, and it has caused pretty much every single altcoin to completely drop to the downside, which is, you know, obviously sucks, but it is what it is, and we just got to take it level by level and see what's going on here, all right? So as we can clearly see right now, Avalanche is currently ranging within this level here between, let's see here, right between $38.40 and pretty much right between, you know, $38.40 and $32.50, all right? Now, what I could see happening here long term is what needs to happen is, for a bullish case scenario, we need to start adding, you know, we need to start rising, and we need to end up breaking this downtrend line here. And then once we break that downtrend, if we have enough momentum, we really need to gain momentum and cross this resistance level here of $43.71, all right? Once that happens, then we will be in this area of question marks here, and we will need to be looking right here. We will probably end up ranging right in this level here, simply because this is a very strong level. Where's my brush here? Simply because this is a very strong level of resistance right up here, and I could see us ranging right in here before, sorry, I don't know why that went down so far, ranging right in here before we automatically end up, you know, breaking through and going up even higher and higher and higher. That is the hope anyway. That is the bullish hope scenario here, okay? Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour chart, this is kind of what concerns me here, okay? Because if we take a look and if we go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour chart, we can clearly see that Bitcoin started to, you know, obviously we kind of bottomed out down here and we started to rise a little bit, and it probably got a couple people excited that, oh gee, we might be having a reversal here. But here's the thing, you guys, all right? When we take a look at the Bollinger Bands, we can clearly see that price has completely it has completely ignored the moving average here on the Bollinger Bands, and we are literally riding it. And usually what that means is when we are in a downtrend and we completely fail to rise above this moving average, typically what happens is price begins to fall even more, all right? So I hope that doesn't happen, but I mean, my experience in the years that I've been doing this, and from what I have seen in the past, 9 times out of 10, it usually continues to keep dropping. So what I'm currently looking at right now for AVAX is I'm staring at this support level, and I'm hoping that we either bounce right here and start ranging right in here and eventually crossing through this downslope here and then going higher. But we have to keep in mind that there is a possibility that we could eventually just end up breaking straight through here and, you know, continuing this downtrend for one more final leg straight down. And if we do end up going straight down, I would expect and hope that we end up bouncing off of this support level right down here before ranging here and then going up to this next support level that we now turned into resistance, and end up bouncing off of that and then going down a little bit and then going through and then hopefully having enough momentum to break through the downtrend line, all right? That is my overall hope for what I'm seeing for Avalanche, all right? Now, as far as the overall market cap of the altcoin market is concerned, let's go ahead and take a look at that. Now, here's what's interesting about the overall market cap chart, okay? This is the overall market cap chart for all of the altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So What I'm noticing here is, here's the thing, okay? Again, it's the same concept that we were looking at here with Avalanche earlier. We can clearly see that we bottomed out right down here, pretty much right at support down here at $559 billion. But we started to trend back upwards, and it was a pretty strong uptrend right there. But as you guys can clearly see on the Bollinger Bands, we completely failed. I mean, we broke through it and we did close above it, but the momentum clearly was not strong enough as we started to dip right away in the next candle. And now we are starting to go down once again. And once again, like I was talking to you guys about earlier in the Avalanche section, when I was talking about Avalanche, 9 times out of 10, when we break past this moving average right here, we're going to continue to keep falling. Okay, so now if we do continue to keep falling, this level that we want to be looking at here is we want to be looking at this level right down here, again at $559 billion, because that is ultimately the point that we want to be bouncing at, all right? Now, this isn't to say that we won't end up stopping right somewhere around here or anything, because we technically could. We could end up stopping right around this level and bouncing off of it, and then going right back up, okay? So this is why it is important to keep an eye on the various levels and see what the price action is doing at these various levels, because it all tells a story, guys. It all tells a story, and as we all know, as the altcoin market cap is going up, you know, typically alts are moving upwards as well. Altcoin market cap is moving down, boom, altcoins continue to move down as well, all right? So overall here, you guys, that is going to pretty much do it. But before I go ahead and wrap this up, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a nice comment below, and hit that, you know, go ahead and hit that like button as well on the video to help me out, and hit the notification bell as well so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And with that said, you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future price action videos.